high expectations for his team.
At saka very valid, ano? When you look at the games that they played, a lot of it are either close or very competitive. Caloocan and there's another one against San Juan, yeah. Only those games, but everything has been very competitive actually.
Dalawa ang labang ng Black Bulls, 22-20. Joel Liu fires a pass to Victoria for the lead. Yes, sir! Costello, pasa kay Canoy, 5 on the shot clock. Had to create, and he does! Hopping down the lane and laying it in for 2.
I've always loved how Aldave Canoy has played.
Has had a few games where he has fouled out, so that's a concern for them. Quezon City. Marquis to a cutting AJ Cornel. Basket and 1.
They're gonna figure out how to make those combinations.
Pull-up jumper, MJ Hoson will score.
This is a better execution, that half-court set for Quezon City.
Exits to the corner. Caballero with a basketball. 7 on the shot clock. Hoson with another swipe.
That's how good MJ is.
Sumoda.
I love it.
Susubukan yung depensa ni Mark Yee. Rising up, kissing it off the glass and in. Isolated at the left wing against Jesse Sumoda. Jab step.
He'll take this.
And he will make it. How about that from Mark Yee?
And nakiklear yung paint.
Sumalo si Sumoda, popostehan si Mark Yee. Puwersa sa ilalim using his heft to his advantage.
Naka-adjust ka agad yung depensa.
Yee turns around, one-hander, gets the friendly bounce.
Mga kasama ko sa company where I used to work, I wanna say happy viewing to Bombeth Abbas, Raul Manarang, Nonoy Macarayan.
Balik ang kalamangan sa Quezon City. Alday ngayon lang pinasok. Mintes, Mark Yee, the offensive rebound. Going reverse. Lalo sila sa ilalim sila naglalaro.
Correct. Bugbugan dyan di ba?
Gloria got stripped. Rizal making a run late in this period. Can extend this lead.
Nice.
And they're making Quezon City pay.
I didn't realize that he was coming off that injury because he was impressive last season. Wow.
Hoson, steal, basket. Great publico.
That's what makes him so impressive.
Hoson, count if it goes. It will count if it goes, rather. Mintes.